Yo, RJ fam,
It was good.
what we got today?
All right, don't ask me what the brand is called, but I know exactly what product we're reviewing. It's going to be the Aura Studio 3. It's a speaker, and all I know is it looks like it's booming. Let's take this in. You're supposed to say "tada." That's a dramatic entrance. You have to give it a dramatic finish.
My brain wasn't moving. All right. Yeah.
Tada!
We got the Aura Studio 3. It's a nice speaker from Harman and Kardon.
I never heard of the brand before.
Yeah, me
but
neither.
it says that they have a beautiful sound on the box, so I'm gonna believe it.
Facts.
And that's what we did believe when we went to buy this.
Yeah. Did we buy this or did they send it to us?
They did not send this to
They
us.
didn't send this to us.
The box says,
Why was that so aggressive?
because it's gonna look tough on camera. Spin effect.
Right.
The box says it won some type of design award, but
So let's talk about some of the specs.
it says Bluetooth. It has lights and it has a exceptional 360-degree sound.
Okay, so like the Atmos technology, Dolby Atmos, kind of 360.
Yeah,
sound.
or like I just don't get it because like the design of it just
Yeah.
doesn't look like it can give that. Like how can
If I'm honest, it's giving me like Incubator 3000, bro.
Yo, we about to make a baby in
That's
here.
what I'm saying. Like
Oh,
hatch a baby egg, couple.
like a egg, a
a
chicken.
Oh, yeah, a
You ever
chick.
seen the video where they inject the egg with the stuff and the baby grows in an open egg? The chick.
Nah, I don't know what type of videos you
never
be
seen that?
watching, bro.
I'm gonna find it just for this.
But it's also giving me like Pokemon.
That was tough.
Yeah. Anyways, that's some boxes, bro.
Bro, we don't even have an X-Acto. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yo,
How we doing this? We keeping it nice.
let
and
the
sleek.
people see what's going on with them.
It's alright.
You took the whole thing off? Bro, you're just supposed to like let it hang.
Oh, my
Everybody knows that.
My bad, my bad.
You just let it hang just for fun.
My bad. Alright, let's put it back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
Nah, I was just joking. Yeah. Ready? Let's It's got a lot more flaps to go.
Alright, this is unnecessary.
Two twos.
This is so unnecessary.
All amount of
Crazy.
wood trees that they use to make this box is insane. All right, so that is a speaker, and the box actually only comes with one other thing. It's a cord. I'm actually kind of glad it's a cord because we can plug it in and we don't have to charge it for the sake of this video.
It's a super short cord though, so like I feel like the places that you could put this in are super like limited.
It's called extension cord, brother.
Yeah, but it's like if the design is supposed to be nice and sleek for any environment or any space, like it says on the box, I feel like they failed.
Well, we're about to find out. And the final reveal. That is not a pleasing sound. This is not ASMR. Damn.
Put those back. Put
That's
that
actually
away.
not bad.
Put that away.
That's actually not bad.
Yeah, I can't even lie. It looks kind of tough now that we're seeing it like live.
Oh, wait. I just felt they got like the subwoofer on the bottom.
Oh, that's hard.
This is definitely going to break soon enough because we're going to be blasting this 100%.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think?
Honestly, first thoughts, it looks quite nice. Although I don't know if this is like something that you would have to put that you could put anywhere, you know?
Yo, now that I think of it, I feel like the middle part is just going to have lights. Like, it's not going to actually playing music from here. It's only going to be from the bottom. And, like, the side. Because this is all, like, speaker material,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So it's just going to be, like, oh,
Let's plug it in, bro.
360.
Let's plug it in.
Let's plug it in.
Yeah, let's plug it in.
You have your phone?
Yeah, I have my phone.
Connect that to Bluetooth?
Oh.
Or should I get an aux
It should
cord?
have a little, it doesn't have the little manual that comes with it? Probably something.
Fam, it's so self-explanatory. You
No. Where's the manual? Pick up the
There's
manual.
no manual, bro.
It has to.
I swear to God, I told you. I did not lie. I said there's only a cord in the box. There's no manual, fam.
There's
Like
no way he did that.
I can't see a manual. There's nothing else, fam. I'm telling you. I'm not even gonna go in the box. I literally already did that.
Crazy.
There's no manual. I guess it's basically plug and play. Yo, this twist tie got you alive.
Yo.
It's actually crazy. This guy's working on the twist tie forever.
I've been going the wrong way this whole time.
I'm dead.
All right.
This is actually you didn't lie. This is a pretty short cord.
That's what I'm saying.
Do we have the extension?
There's one right there behind you, no?
Oh yeah, it is right there. Okay.
All right, turn it around. What I kind of like about it is that the handprints don't really get on it. Oh, I like it.
It looks kind of dusty. I'm not gonna lie. Like they
looks
need
a
like
little
some dust-resistant glass.
But it's
or-
not that bad. Like, it's not that
Wait,
bad.
this is plastic.
It is plastic. Translucent plastic. Interesting. All right, plug it in. Let me. All right, how do we turn this on?
Right here, power button.
Power button's there. Okay.
Wow, the power button is inverted.
Ooh.
Ooh. Wait, never mind.
Ooh. Hold on, you're gonna have to place this very central, bro. So I'm assuming there's a Bluetooth button that
Yeah,
you
there
press.
is right here.
All right, probably press and hold. I'm assuming that's.
Yo, this thing is hard to press. It has like a little mini.
Oh wait, no. HK Aura Studio 3.
Plug and play.
Plug and play. All right.
I really like the lighting. So this is definitely just like the lighting that's gonna be going on here, and I can't wait to see what it looks like with the lights off. I think it's gonna look crazy, but probably gonna play like a little.
Hip hop joint
Yeah.
or some heavy bass.
It's all man. Cool,
Why does it look like mist?
cool.
It's like slowly like lighting up.
Here we go.
It's warming up.
Hold on. If I rock across and Jesus gonna be missing, I try to tell them, but they wouldn't listen. They rather argue and find their opinion.
Is that it? Oh wait.
Yo, you need a beat drop. You need a beat
Yeah,
drop.
hold on, wait.
If I rock across and Jesus gonna be missing, I just keep it raw. I don't do no religion. Much is required, and who much is given. I stood in the rain like I'm with new edition. If I'm not joining, I got it. They can't stop me from scoring. I play my position. It's me versus me. I don't see competition. I'm free but rabbits, but know for a fact that they rather see me like the deep in the prison. They brought me in through the back. I ain't pay no admission. I'm still in the cut like incision. Let me get them. Coach need to set them. I can't show no pity. They all gonna be victims.
Okay.
I think that this thing sounds amazing.
It actually sounds great.
It
I
sounds
can't even
great.
lie.
It's
It sounds
super
great.
loud. Like
Dumb
this is
loud.
like put this outside in the backyard, sit down,
Yeah,
chill.
yeah, for
like
sure.
the party's going crazy.
Right.
But I don't know what's going on with the lights.
Yeah, like.
Like I don't know if they ever heard of like colorful LEDs. Like
So is this supposed to be interactive, like with the song?
that's what I thought it was gonna be.
Right, me too.
It was gonna be like dancing. Like
Yeah,
what's
like
it? What's
moving,
it?
or different colors, bro. I
Yeah.
see one.
They literally only have white.
All right, no, we gonna have to. Let's get to the bottom of this.
Play like a electronic like
Like EDM.
yeah. Maybe it goes by genre, bro. That would be sick. It's like different genre. You put the piano, it goes. I don't know.
In my mind, I was running out of time, counting hours. In the night, I was looking for a sign. You're the fire when it's cold and gray. Feel like summer on a winter's day.
Okay, I can't even cap. Speakers are banging.
Yeah, speakers actually crazy loud. Crazy loud.
Yeah, and
Sound quality is great. It's actually phenomenal. Beautiful sound did not lie on the box.
although I can say that like I feel like the bass is kind of weak.
For like the big subwoofer on the
Yeah,
bottom.
yeah, I think it's kind of weak. Maybe it's because of the table that it's on, but even then, I just feel
Nah,
like-
but like it's elevated. It's not even like
Yeah, that's what I'm
it
saying.
has. It's like its own like
Exactly.
contained unit
Exactly.
and everything. So like I'm not really sure what's going on with it in terms of the lighting. Oh, like there's a little brightness thing right here. What did I do? I don't know how the buttons work on here. I'm not gonna lie. There's like a plus minus button for the volume that obviously gives you like a little indicator saying it's going up or down. There's a brightness thing. It doesn't really do much. It doesn't say I'm turning it up or down or changing it on and off. Like, I don't really know what's going on with this. I think that they probably should have included a manual. That would have been a good idea.
They have to have.
Bro, I'm telling you, there's no manual. Unless somebody came in here and used it already. There's no manual in this box.
That's crazy.
There's literally 3 pieces of cardboard, a bag, which I already put on my head. I'm not going to do it again. And that's about it. Wait, nah, look at this.
It comes with the one. I told you.
Bro, but it wasn't in the box.
Yo, I'm telling you, open the box, bro. Take that out.
I took this out already.
Take it out.
See? Did I lie? There is no manual in here, my
That's
boy.
crazy.
So clearly we got finessed the manual, and we're gonna have to find that online because
Let's find it.
we don't know how to use a speaker, and it is pretty plug and play, but the whole light situation just seems like it sucks, and I wish we could do better.
So it's your regular connection. It's literally plug and play. Bluetooth.
It quite literally says 2 buttons, 2 connectors.
Yeah, there's literally 1 button in the middle here. That kind of gets smudged once you start placing your finger there all the time. But it's literally like whether or not you want your light on or off. It's literally like a little toggle.
So why would you ever buy this to have a mic that's off? I mean, the light
But
off.
I mean, obviously, I don't think you would. Unless you're trying to be like incognito.
Incognito, but everybody can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, but to be honest, I don't know what the design was behind, like the thought process behind it. But it looks different.
It
You
looks
know,
different.
If there's a way you want to enter a market, you want to stand out, I think this is a way.
It won an award. I don't understand why. Like, I don't quite get that.
Yeah. But we can agree that it's visually appealing.
I mean, we picked it up.
Yeah, it's visually appealing.
It's pretty visually
And it also
appealing.
comes in a white, I'm pretty sure, on the website. There's a white version of this too, which I feel like this would be way nicer.
I think so too. I think that white didn't even need to be mentioned type.
Yeah. But at least for whoever would want to potentially cop this, there is a white version.
What would you rate this out of 10?
Honestly, I'm giving this a solid. For aesthetic purposes, it gets up there. Speaker-wise, the sound is good. I'm gonna give it like a 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah. Just because it's different, because it's like a different. I've never seen a speaker like this before, you know.
All right. Yeah, I think sound quality 8.
You're giving it an 8.
Pretty
sound
clear
quality?
sound quality, aesthetic. Like, I expected way more from this. I thought that the lights were
The
gonna
light,
be
yeah.
a lot,
So you're disappointed in that.
a lot nicer, especially with the way that it kind of has like the wavy kind of like dancing light
Yeah.
capability. It almost seemed like
Yeah.
it just didn't have it. So I think that I would honestly give it probably about like a 6 for aesthetics.
Crazy.
And then just overall product, I don't love the buttons. Like, it's not too interactive, I feel. Like, I don't know if I even pressed it or not. Oh, I did.
You pressed it.
But yeah, I just don't feel like it's like automatic.
Yeah.
I have no clue what's really going on with it.
Yeah.
And then of course the manual was so like basic.
Yeah.
It doesn't really explain much. And then lastly the cord. So I'd probably say a 6 out of 10 would be it for me.
I think that's pretty solid. I did want to mention though also like the I like the sound feedback.
Yeah.
The sound feedback. I think the sounds are very like
sort of like when you use your iPhone and it has like that haptic
feedback. But like sound feedback.
sound, yeah.
Yeah.
And also kind of vibrated the table a little bit. Kind
Did
of
it?
like
I didn't
has like
feel
that bass. It kicks in for the sound.
Oh
not
yeah,
really
for the
music.
yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna give it a solid 7.5. I
7?
think that's pretty good.
7.5.
The disappointment was definitely the lights.
Yeah.
You know, and I think what's the retail price on this?
It was $429 Canadian.
Yeah. So if you're going for about $429 Canadian, I think that's a lot. you know?
I think it's a lot for this.
Honestly, because of the price, I'm gonna have to bring it down to a 7.
7?
Yeah, I'm
For price? Yeah, I didn't even consider price.
Because
I'd
like
probably say a
429
5
for
now.
this? Ugh, I don't know. I don't know.
You return it and just get like a little Beats pill or something.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, when you think of the uses, like a small Beats pill would be enough if you're putting it in the backyard. Literally, it's only
Yeah.
aesthetics. And I
It
feel like
is.
if your selling point is aesthetics, the light show has to be freaking crazy.
It has to be like I'm at the festival.
Honestly, it has to be a projector. It needs to be projecting like the starlight or something. Yeah, I feel like
I mean, in the room, right?
in a
Outside,
room, outside, I don't care.
Yo,
Outside, it better give me a fake galaxy. Up in
what
the
would have
sky.
been crazy, especially with the lights, the type of lights they had, if this was like a smoke show where it like would have smoke coming out of it, and then like the lights would light up the smoke.
That's dumb extreme, bro.
But it would be tough. In conclusion, honestly, I would say if you have the money and you want something that sounds great but doesn't necessarily look that great, buy it.
If you're going for a minimalistic view, minimalistic style, I think this is.
You think that this is minimalistic?
I would say so.
I think this is kind of outworldly, but just sucked.
As you can tell,
We don't love
if
it.
you like it, cop it. If you don't like it, don't buy it.
I would just say don't buy it.
Don't buy it.
Final verdict: don't buy it.
But shout out. What's the name of the brand?
See, this doesn't make sense. They're Harman/Kardon by Harman.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know. All right, this has been the Aura Studio 3 by Harman by Kardon. I did not say that properly. Let us know in the comments whether or not you would cop or drop this product. Personally, we're dropping it. But as always, stay tuned for the next video where we take this in. Peace.
Well, we found the manual.
I said there was a manual.
Look, I don't know where this came from. We just found it on the floor after the video. We still don't need it, but it would have probably been helpful to have seen it when we opened the box.
Facts.
Anyway, peace.